Hey guys! Let's explore a blurring app on an iPhone device today. So, we are going to take a short tour on a blurring app for iPhone and iPad called Blur Photo Editor, and show you how to blur the backgrounds, faces or any other object in the photo by accurately displaying blur brush path and magnifying screen. Sounds cool? It should be. You will get the link in the comments section to download this free app from App Store. Before deep diving into the app, let me tell you the simple steps to easily blur your photo. Just select a photo you want to blur. Blur the photos using finger touch and watch the blur path on magnifying glass. Then, use the advanced filters and effects for blurring. Additionally, you can also use the photo editing tools for the photo enhancement. Lastly, save and share your photo. It's really easy, right? It's not only an editor that enables you to blur your photo but also to edit your photo in a way you want. It's having lots of filters, effects and modules for photo editing. Let me show you how you can easily blur the backgrounds, faces or any other objects in your photo using the Blur Photo Editor app. So, let's deep dive into it. Open the photo that you want to blur. Choose the brush tool and touch on the area that you want to blur. You can also reduce the size of the brush for selecting the path precisely. The magnifying glass will display the path using zoom in option. All the photos don't need same intensity of blur. So, this app enables you to adjust the intensity of the blur. Selecting the inverting option, you can upturn the blurred area. This app offers the focus filter where you can blur the objects using the circle and band paths. That means all the areas except your selected circular or rectangular area will be blurred. And you have the control over the intensity of the blur. The most amazing feature of this app is, it includes tons of blurring effects under various categories. Let's choose a suitable effect for now. As it's a comprehensive photo editing app. So, it doesn't only include the filters and tools to end up only doing the blurring things, but also incorporates lots of filters and effects for photo enhancements. This app also enables you to make some essential editings. You can do cropping, exposure, brightness, contrast, color, hue and saturation adjustment. It's really simple and easy.